compact bunkhouse from Coachmen, the Remote 18.2 for 2025, was offered at the show for $24,000. At a length of 20 feet 8 inches, weighing in at 4,500 pounds gross, this RV can sleep 5, and you can tow it with an SUV or half-ton truck. Outside you'll find a griddle and platform, a 13-foot awning, and cargo doors to access the pass-through basement. Inside is an RV queen bed with overhead storage. This floor plan has a 15,000 BTU air conditioner and a propane furnace. The dinette converts for sleeping and has storage in the benches and in the cabinets above. The double bunks are 30 by 74. The rear bath has a shower tub combo and a medicine cabinet. The kitchen offers a 2-door 12-volt fridge, a 2-burner stove, microwave, and overhead cabinets.